Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we're going to see how to install a Vesta Control Panel on CentOS 7 server. Vesta Control Panel is an open source hosting control panel, currently supports both RHEL and also Ubuntu. And also it packs a bunch of features by default to allow you to host and manage your website with ease on your virtual private server. So let's get started with the installation procedure. First, start by ensuring that your system is updated by running the following command. Now it shows that our system is up to date, and then the next step will be installing the Vesta Control Panel. In order to do that, you have to download the Vesta Control Panel install script with the following command. Now the script has been downloaded. After the download, make the script execute and execute it. Now the script is getting executed. After that, if everything is fine, then you will get the following screen. And then here, following softwares will be installed on your system: Nginx web server, Apache web server as a backend, and then DNS server, and so on. When you press Y, the system will ask you for an email address, and it's okay to provide a real one, and it will advise you when it's complete and will issue your login credentials to do that address. And then you have to enter your fully qualified domain name. And then the installation will begin. Now you have successfully installed the VestaCP. Once the installer finishes installing, it will show you the URL and also the username and password. Just to open the URL in the web browser and log in using the username and the password. This is the login interface of the VestaCP. Now here, enter the username which displayed and also the password. Just copy and paste this password here. Now if you see here, this is the interface of the VestaCP. Here you can find the user details and the email details, and then web, DNS, mail, and you can find everything which is necessary for an hosting control panel. So this is how we install and use VestaCP. I hope this tutorial helps you. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com. Mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for any queries.